Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shafa Khairunnisa, and now I will explain about mathematical word problem of linear equation. And this is the question. The question is, Mr. Rahman had a bag of candy that would be shared to the children. If every children were given with 2 candies, then in a bag there are 4 candies remained. But if every children were given with 3 candies, there would be 2 children that didn't get the candy, and a child would get 2 candies. If X represents the number of if X represents the number of candy and Y represents the number of child, write that statement in a linear equation. In this question, there are 2 statements. The first statement is if every children were given with 2 candies. The first statement is, I will try to describe this statement. This is a bag of candy that every children were given with 2 candies, that Mr. Rahman would share 2 candies for every children. That Y is represent the number of the child, because we don't know how many child are there. Then to Y, then in a bag there are 4 candies remain. That in a bag there are 4 candies remain. 1, 2, 3, 4. That we want to know how many candies in a bag, that we can write that statement with X is equals to 2Y plus 4, because 2Y and 4 are remained. And then the second statement is if every children were given with 3 candies, and this is a bag of candy, that Mr. Rahman would share 3 candies for every children. That we want to know how many candies in a bag, that we can write the statement with X is equals to 3Y, and there will be 2 children that didn't get the candy, minus 2 is multiplied by 3, because so Mr. Rahman need 6 candy for 2 children. That 2 children have 6 candy. That 2 children have 6 candy, and then and a child would get 2 candies. Every child should have 3 candies, but this child just get 2 candies, and so this child must get 1 candies more. This is 1. Then so Mr. Rahman need minus 6 and minus 1. Minus 6 is for these 2 children, and minus 1 candies for this child, because this child is just get 2 candies. And then we can write that X is equals to 3Y minus 2 is multiplied by 3 is equals to 6 and min 1. X is equals to 3Y minus 7. Okay, this is the linear equation for the 2 statements in this question. If you want to know about the number of the child and the number of candies, you can use the elimination and substitution equation. There is enough for this there is enough for me to explain this question, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.